Yeah, that's mine.
Okay, we should get a beacon and then keep going down.
Swap out.
Okay. We should head down here, dude.
Oh, we have our guys over here.
We have a few, yeah. Well, there were some of ours over there. Guys, just keep spreading out more. Take up as much space as you can and get online.
Yes, right side, multi-cam.
Bolt, can you repeat that? If we only need to get that over.
Okay, we're gonna push. Everybody,
Surround him though.
on 3, we're gonna push. Do not yell.
Okay.
Okay.
Does it have projectiles coming out of it?
No, we're just pumping smoke for now. And then when we get closer, okay, you guys suppress it, okay?
Just don't shoot us.
Ready for
You
smoke.
guys take out the tower.
Don't get ahead of yourself.
Okay, I'll let you guys go first.
Where is it? I don't know where I'm putting it.
Tire. Respawn. If you get hit, walk back and respawn.
West.
Normal respawn, just walk back and cut. How far out are they?
They're all the way west. That bunker, we just need to get rid of that.
Bunker?
Not the big one, the little one.
Tony, where are you? Pete?
Alright.
I just got hit, but I'm gonna come to you.
Give us a knife.
No, I did not. Just hold on to it and bring it to the lost and found at the end.
Where's that at?
It's in the main building.
The red building?
Yeah.
Got it.
Everyone, we need to gather up.
Yeah, we need to push back up on that bunker that
Everyone, gather here when you respawn.
Let's go. No, we got the conics. Yeah, we got conics. Let's go.
Actually, I think I'm moving to Conix.
You guys need to get off of channel 20.
Alright, everybody move on the front. Alright, we're gonna push through the woods.
Where are they?
They're still using the admin channel.
Hey!
They're still using the admin channel. All these kids.
Yeah, I'm gonna come with you to the trail. Ready?
I'll go with you.
Ready, come on.
All right, let's go.
Ready? Wait, we need one more guy. Come on. Who wants to charge this?
All you guys, come on, come on, come on.
I'm not gonna run. Go, come on, come on.
Come on, go.
Knock that shit off, Jack.
We got the beacon. Third beacon, we found it.
Gather up, guys, come on. Head this way.
We need to take out the bottom of the tower.
Everyone, we need to get through there and get into that bunker, okay?
Someone to get a grenade into the bottom of that tower.
No, we need more people to head this way, okay?
Hey, I need cover in front.
Hey, what do you need?
Have to wait, guys.
Hey, what do you need?
I need cover and fire.
All right. Hold on, hold on. Everybody, come this way. Come on.
No, half the people go, yeah. Guys, hey,
We're trying to take out
hey,
the tower.
Which tower? This one here?
Push on the tower. Let's go.
come here. Wait, we need your help, we need your help. Can you come this way with us?
Yeah.
Because we're trying to take that bunker. This is like the final push. Okay, if you die, run back and run back in here, okay?
I came here to Airsoft. That's what you cross country.
Okay, guys, I'm going to suppress you. Everybody run.
Okay, go in, go in.
Watch out, grenade! Watch out, watch out, watch out!
Hey. Where are you heading?
Oh, we got a guy with a beacon over here.
Yeah, we need to get it over there, right?
Yeah, need some.
That would be our last one.
Some suppressive fire. We're gonna blow some smoke when I get there.
Okay.
Have them just charge it.
And we're pushing from that way. We're trying to get that bunker, but it's not going too well.
You guys got a plan now?
Yeah, they're gonna try to flank.
Here, he hasn't got hit yet.
I think he got hit, but we just need to take over this bunker right here,
Yeah,
and then he'll good to go.
we just need enough people to go in.
And then nobody has.
We
to
need
plan
30 people.
what to do. Somebody let them know.
30 people, everyone. We're gonna try to take that bunker. That one's not me. By the way, Rob. Come on. Over here, take this bunker. We need to go. Okay. Get in. Get as far back into there as you guys can, and get cover. Okay. Get as far as there over you can and get cover.
Where we have tangles on the right.
On the right, the left is mainly freedom or friendlies, but on the tower is there. So watch out. Both towers actually.
Hey, we need some people to flank that way too. Go tell
No, because this is the fastest route there.
No, go tell them to charge up, okay? Hey, we need to just...
Yeah, keep pressure. We need to go. Yeah, we don't have much time.
We just need to go in.
Yeah,
Just do it.
Try to stay in the middle of everyone.
Your ballistics, you're gonna throw the grenade in the bottom story, okay? Okay.
Okay, everyone, get ready! Get ready! Go, 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 go! Go, go! Go, go! Go!
He's it!
Bottom.
Get in!
Go. Get it.
Go, go! Hit! We just need one more push and it will be ours, guys. Come on, let's go!
We need pyro. Reload while you can. We're gonna get him out. He's got like an 8-foot tall person.
We just need to get to that ladder and get...
He's pointing his barrel down the ladder.
Yeah, and everyone go up in a pair of two. So when you climb up the ladder, hold on to the person in front of you and climb up, okay?
Sneaking up to grab them off of the opposing team
I'll be.
tire and put them on their tire. That's fine. Over. Copy that. So three on one tire. That's
We have all three beacons.
We have all three beacons.
Guys, hey! There's somebody up in the tower!
Who is on the winning
Still
side?
one up there!
Multicam.
Good ticket.
Repeat.
Yes, this is cricket. Is that game? Over. Is that a game over if you have all three on the Woodland Camel flag? Over.
Woodland is up top in that tower.
Game over!
We got 3
Game over! Yeah!
Game over! Woo!
Yeah! Game over!
Hey, make sure that you grab all the props. Over.
No, we won. 3. It was only 3. These stay in the thing, or would you take them with us?
Take 'em.